Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Red dates, also known as jujubes, are a traditional superfood loved for their sweet taste and powerful health benefits. Rich in vitamin C, iron and antioxidants, red dates are often used to nourish the blood, boost energy and support overall wellness. But did you know that not all red dates are as healthy as they look? In fact, some have been treated with sulfur dioxide to extend shelf life and enhance color. And these sulfur-treated dates may silently harm your body if consumed over time. So how do you tell the difference between natural and sulfur-processed red dates? The answer lies in 5 key clues that are shockingly easy to spot. Let's dive into what you must look out for the next time you shop for red dates. Clue number 1. The color. Naturally dried red dates have a rich dark reddish-brown color. If the dates look unnaturally bright, shiny or reddish with a uniform gloss, it could be a sign of sulfur bleaching. These glossy dates may seem more attractive, but their beauty comes at a price. Clue number 2. The smell. Real red dates have a mild sweet aroma. In contrast, sulfur-treated dates often give off a faint sour or chemical odor. You may not notice it unless you smell carefully, but once you do, you will know it's not normal. That's the smell of sulfur dioxide, commonly used as a preservative but harmful in high or prolonged exposure. Clue number 3. The texture. Take a closer look at the skin of the red date. If it appears overly smooth, glossy and waxy, as if it has been polished, that's a major warning sign. Natural red dates typically have slight wrinkles and a matte finish. In contrast, sulfur-treated red dates often look unnaturally plump and flawless, without a single wrinkle. This shiny appearance comes from the sulfur fumigation process, which alters the fruit's outer layer to look more perfect and appealing, but it's anything but natural. Clue number 4. The flesh color inside. If you break open a red date and see a white interior instead of a reddish-brown tone, be cautious. This discoloration can be a telltale sign of chemical treatment. It might look subtle, but it's a key detail that health-conscious shoppers should never ignore. Clue number 5. The soaking test. Here's a simple trick you can try at home. Soak a few dates in warm water for 10 minutes. If the water turns yellowish and smells strange, chances are the dates have been treated with sulfur. Natural red dates won't discolor the water like that. Now that you know these 5 easy clues, spotting sulfur-treated red dates can be done in just a glance. Next time you are in the market or store, use this knowledge to make smarter choices, and don't forget to share this tip with your loved ones. A small detail could save someone from a big health mistake. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you won't miss more simple but powerful health tips just like this one. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.